Okay, so we start this hour with a Supreme Court case that could reshape how voting rights are protected in America. So today, the court is hearing a case out of Louisiana that could make it harder for Black voters to have fair representation. Now, at the center of the fight is Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act. Now, this is the part of the law that lets voters challenge political maps that weaken minority voting power. The case centers on Louisiana's latest congressional map. So a lower court ordered the state to create 2 majority Black districts instead of 1, since Louisiana's a third of its population is Black. But state leaders appealed, arguing that it's unconstitutional to factor in race when drawing political lines. Now, civil rights groups, they disagree, saying ignoring race will erase representation and take the country backwards. Now, they warn that if the court sides with Louisiana, states across the country could stop creating majority Black or Latino districts, reducing minority voices in Congress and in local government. Now, a new report from voting rights activists and advocates, they warn that overturning Section 2 could allow Republicans to redraw up to 19 House seats in favor of them before the 2026 midterm elections. And that would erase nearly 30% of the Congressional Black Caucus. The advocates are calling this case one of the biggest threats to the voting rights law in decades, warning that if the court does side with Louisiana, it could reshape democracy as we know it.
Well, I'm pretty sure that the Voting Rights Act will be gutted. I think everybody just needs to go ahead and brace themselves for that.